on Sunday evening. So thanks to all my dear son and daughters for joining me even on Sunday for the maths lecture. Yesterday we have completed some topic of probability, single coin, double coin, triple coin, playing card. Just I have given the introduction of dice, and I said what is a mathematical formula of dice, because from different shape, from different shop, when we purchase dice, playing dice are of same type, maybe color and size maybe different, but the dot, there is one formula on which it works. There are six phases: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Six phases, so three pair, opposite opposite one pair, opposite opposite two pair, opposite opposite third pair. From any dice, you can notice that front and back, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 6 7. So in any dice, this is a mathematical formula that opposite, this side total 7, this side total 7, this side total 7. So total 21 dots from 1 to 6. So slightly 2 steps before I will this. One coin H T, two outcomes. Two coin white line, yellow lights in here. Yes. Hmm? Wait. Now it is coming.
ये वाइट तो लाइट नहीं ऊपर दिखाई दे रहा है, बाकी आप आगे दिखाती हो स्क्रीन में। ये कनेक्शन में हिसाब एसी नहीं आवे।
કંઈક તો ગ્રાફિક્સ ચાલુ છે એની અંદર.
એક બી નથી ચાલુ।
આ જો ને આ
બધું બંધ છે। ગ્રાફિક્સ ક્યાંથી બધું બંધ છે।
3 coin, 3 time T, 3 time H.
અરે આ કોઈએ બીજા કોઈએ સ્ક્રીન શેર
T.
જય યાદવ કરીને છે ને એને
જય યાદવ को रिमूव करो। रिमूव जय यादव।
એજ છે, એજ ક્યાં ડોટ લીટા કરે છે એટલે ત્યાં બતાવી।
आशीष जय यादव को रिमूव करो। One coin only two possibility, 2 coin 4 possibility, 3 coin 8 possibility. So 2 dice are two side of the coin and power number of coin. So this is 2 raised to 1, this is 2 raised to 2, this is 2 raised to 3. Then we have seen there are someone is sharing the screen purposely and mute the mic. Playing card total 52, 26 red, 26 black. Again it is divided into two parts. Again it is divided into two parts. 13, 13, 13, 30. This is heart. This is diamond. This one is spade. Now club. Now again these are divided into three parts. That is, in all you will get A. In all you will get JQK, face card. So this is one card, this is three card, and rest of 8 card. No, total 13, 9 card. 2 to 10, 2 to 10. So 9 cards. 2 to 10, 2 to 10. So these are a number of coin outcomes. Number of coin outcomes. 3 coin outcome. What is the formula? Two side means H and T. Then how many coin you are using, that much is the power. So that much is your answer. Next, playing cards. 52 cards. Divided into two parts. Red, black, red. 56, 26, black 26. Again that is divided into two group. Red divided into two. Heart, diamond. Black also divided into two. Spade, club. So 26 fours are 13 fours are 15. Now 13 again divided into 3. A, egg, that is not a face card, not a number card. Not a face card, not a number card. Number card 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. 1 is not taken, but 2 to 10. So there are 9 cards. Then we have taken only face, J, Q, K. You will find the face on both the corner. So that are known as face card. So JQK, JQK, JQK. There are 3 things. So 1 plus 3 plus 9, 13, 13, 13. Like that it is divided. Now come to the dice again. We are using these 2 dice. Suppose this side, so you will see 4 and 1 combination. If any other, now combination is 1 and 3. Now towards your side 3 and 2. Now combination 5 and 1. Now combination 5 and 3. Like that 4 and 6. How many pair? I read pair wise number. This number, 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 this number. Like that, how many pair you can find? How many repetition don't count, but which pair will not repeat, that count. So total number of 36 pair you will get. Total number of 36 pair you will get. In exam, this sample space like this, it is important to write. From that they will ask the question in second exercise. So from this they will ask where is 2H, where is 3H, where is 0H. But before that you have to prepare this, and from that you have to give the answer. So there is no mark for that. So 36 sample space you have to write. how to write that 36 sample space within 36 seconds. So that I am giving you the format. So 2 dice. In each dice there are 1 to 6 number. So when you will repeat the number now very easily you can write. When you will write different number at every time, it is a time consuming. In the textbook table is prepared. So from that you can't identify the trick how they have written. But here in the video stepwise I am developing. So from that you can get the idea. So first write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6 times. Then from here 2, 2, 2, 6 times. All numbers I have written 6 times vertically. Now with a different color I will same writing horizontally. Means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. One one one, two two two, three three three, four four four, five five five, six six six. Again, one one one, two two two, three three three, four four four, five five five, six six six. Your sample space of 36 is ready. All pair. In between comma also need. If anything will remain, you will use the mark. In between also. Okay. Then from here to here there are total 36. So whenever you will throw 2 dice, for example this, you will find 3 and 5. 3 and 5 this. Suppose this. So 4 and 6. Front 4 and then 6. Then this. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. 5. 5 and 4. Like that. Any, if you will change any. So it is 2 and 6. 2 and 6. This much only possibility. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Vertically first write same number. Horizontal same number. 36 will be prepared. When you will observe the same table in a textbook, you can't get the idea that how to write. So that is the benefit of live lecture. Otherwise, if I could have given notes from that, you can't recognize that how sir have written. Now, they will ask different question. First question is regarding the total. Suppose this one is your front part. So you are getting 6 and 2. So how much is the total? 8. So what will be the minimum total? That is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 के नीचे total है नहीं. What will be the maximum total? 6 plus 6, 12. Now, how to get the total? Cut this part. So 1 plus 1, 2 total. Cut this. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 total. Cut this. 3 plus 1, this all are getting 4 total. 5 total. This is 5 total. Of this, you will get 6 total. Or all this 6 total, 6 total. All this 7 total. All this 8 totals. All these 9 totals. 10 total. 6 4 5 5 6 4. 11 total. 12 total. You can write this way also. 7 8 like that. 7 6. Okay, I have started with this. Minimum 2 total. Of all pair 3 total. All pair 4 total. All pair 5 total. All pair 6 total. All pair 7 total. So minimum total 1 plus 1 2, and if both the side 6 6, then it is 12. In the exam they will ask, find out the pair whose total is 8. So you write this. This is one method which is given in the textbook. My method is totally different. This method you require table, writing table. Then you have to solve. Whose total are 5? So start this. 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1. These total are 5. From this, just learn how to write 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 like that. 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. 36 sample space ready. From the table, we will not find that how much is the total of which pair that total is. So without using table, how to get? See, this is very important part of this. So first, total. Minimum it can be 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minimum total from 2 to 12. Now we will find out the pair. Then we will write total number of pair. Total can be 2. Minimum total can be 12. Maximum. And now these I will divide into 2 parts. Because the dice have 6 maximum number, up to 6, more than 6. 2 questions, up to 6, more than 6. Up to 6, all are 1 plus something. 1 plus, 1 plus, 1 plus, 1 plus, 1 plus. More than 6, it is 6 plus something. Whose total is 2, whose total is 5, whose total is 8, whose total is 12. For that you have to divide two groups. Up to 6, more than 6. Up to 6, 1 plus something. More than 6, 6 plus something. Now, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now more total, more than 6, 6 plus something. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6. Again, write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to 6. More than 6, write 6, 6, 6, 6. Now 1 plus something, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5. Now 6 plus something, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3. These are your first pair. Now there are another pair whose total is 5. There are another pair whose total is 3. There are another pair whose total is 8. How to get this? Now see. In between I am explaining. This is 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ulta pulta. So the total is 4, total is 4, total is 4. For example, this 6 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All total are 7. Suppose this 4 and 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 1 can't repeat. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it should come. Yeah. 2 and 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 3. 3, 4, 5. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6. So 5 and 6. This can't be ulta pulta. This also can't be ulta pulta. So now, here number is only 1. Here number is 2. Here number is 3. Here number is 4. Here number is 5. Here number is 6. Again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and total is 36 pair. This is called as golden triangle. Again, in dice, 2 dice you will find a pair. This much pair, there are 36 possible pair. So that 36 possible pair, how to write that I am giving. Then we have to find out the total. Always effort is 1 and 1. So minimum to minimum total you will get 2. 1 plus 1. Maximum to maximum total you will get 6. Sorry, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So minimum total 2, maximum total 12. So of how many pairs total is 2? Only 1 pair. For how many pair the total are 5? So 4 pair whose total is 5. How many pair whose total is 8. So there are 5 pairs. So from minimum to maximum you have to write 1 to 12. Then up to 6 write 1 1 1 1 1. Then more than 6 you write 6 6 6 6 6. 1 plus how much? 1 plus how much? 1 plus how much? 6 plus how much? 6 plus how much? 6 plus how much? Then you will get these two numbers. Write that two number ulta pulta. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. 6 means 1 plus 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. If you want 9, 9 is greater than 6. 6 plus something. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. This is I have written in sequence. For example, I want 5 to 5 is less than 6, so 1 plus something. 1 plus how much? 4. So first pair I got 1 and 4. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. This whose total is 5. So no need to refer that table. Suppose 3 I want the total. So 3 means 1 plus 2. So 1 2 1 2. Reversible. Suppose I want 4. These all example are less than 6. 4 means 1 plus something. 1 plus something. So 1 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. And now I will take example of more than 6. Up to 6 this method. More than 6. For example 8. 6 plus something. 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4. Suppose I want 10. 6 plus something. 6 plus 4. 4 5 6. 4 5 6. The method which I have introduced now you will not find in textbook. You will not find in any digest. This is best of best method that without referring full table. Otherwise you will search whose total is 8, whose total is 8. You will not get very easily during the time of exam, and you will spend more time on searching. Suppose here 9 is the total. 9 is what? More than 6. So 6 plus something. 6 plus 3. 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. Suppose it is 12. So 6 plus how much? 6. So it cannot be ulta pulta. 2 means 1 plus 1. It cannot be ulta pulta. Suppose it is 6 only. 6. I want total 6. More than 6 only I will write 6 plus how much. But less than 6. 1 plus how much? 1 plus 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All number when you will write ulta pulta you will get the answer. Generally they are asking total. In maximum sum when we will solve to type this. So first you have to write the total. Which total are. Okay. Then pair. This is the total. Then this is the pair. So pair I have connected with up to 6, more than 6. So up to 6, 1 1 1 1 1. More than 6, 6 6 6 6 6. Up to 6, 1 plus something. More than 6, 6 plus something. Then write ulta pulta ulta pulta. So here only 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. So like it is a triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Because 1 no pair, for 0 no pair, for 13 no pair. So 0 0 we are not counting. So like that no. Which are the numbers? These are the number of pairs. So total number of pairs 36. In the table also we have written 36. This type horizontally row wise 6, vertically column wise 6. So 6 6 are 36. So 36 how it is divided? Maximum pair you will find for 7. Because 7 is 6 plus 1, 1 plus 6. So all you can 1 1 increasing, one decreasing, the total will remain same. What I am doing, which formula I am using, that still someone is sharing the screen. Assis, who is that? This 2-3 people are coming for only time pass or disturbance. Purposely they are doing this and they are wasting my video. So if any questions in this, so you can ask. This is the best way. Any doubt regarding these three edge, these two dice, and the formula again I am telling you, always opposite 7, always opposite. See here 3 is given, here 4 is given, 7, here 6 is given. This is homemade. I have created, but when you will find from the shop now, it is on this formula only. So 6, 1, 7, 4, 3. So there are number how much the dots are given no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is a dice like this. Correct. So here 1, backside 6. Here 2, this backside 5. Then here 3, then backside, like that. It is made. Opposite 180. Array, opposite 7. So first number again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cancel that 6 and 1. So I will take 6 dot and 1 dot opposite. 1 per 1. Then I will take this 2 and 5. Another 2 and 5. Then what is remaining? 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. So your die is ready to play. That on that base only, which is made, that is only advisable to play the game in the competition. Otherwise, any dice it is not useful in the game. So till now, what we have seen of single coin, double coin, triple coin, card distribution, and 2 dice pair distribution. That much is very important. Then each and every question now you will refer now point 1, point 2, point 3. These are very easy examples. Very easy to find out the options, choice, probability. And out of how much, that is exact probability. For example, I want only 6 to be, not other pair. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. 5 pair out of 36. So my choice for the 6 total is 5 out of 36. I can choose this only out of this 36. If I want to select 9, so your choice 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 out of 36. So total outcomes down, denominator, how much you are selecting. Ravi, stop recording.